Want to make a winter branch painting? Let's explore mark making using a paint you can make yourself. We're going to take inspiration from this painting, Winter Branch by Alex Katz. The bare black branches against the grey sky make it look chilly and wintry. Alex Katz is an American painter. He is known for his large paintings using bright, flat colours. He's painted a lot of pictures of nature, as well as portraits of people. Katz mainly paints using oil paint, but today we're going to make our own homemade paint using flour and water. You will need a piece of black paper, a paintbrush, a teaspoon, some water, flour in a bowl, a few twigs. Add flour and water together and stir it until you make a smooth paste. Use your brush to cover your paper with paint. Draw into the paint with your twigs. Try out different twigs or sticks and see what lines you can make. If you want to, smooth it over with your brush and start again.